Welcome back to the channel and to another build. This time I have a 2019 Citroen C3 Feel Puretech. It's the 1.2 petrol, 5-speed manual. It's got 2 previous keepers and this is on the insurance register as a category N due to water damage causing damage to the front panels. As you'll see in the video, all the interior is removed and cleaned, and I also check for any water damage. Being the 2019 model, it does come with remote central locking, electric folding mirrors, electric windows, power steering, cruise control with speed limit, stop start system, collision warning system, lane departure warning system, and the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with DAB radio, USB and Bluetooth connectivity. If you require any more information on this or any of my builds, or maybe you've got an accident damaged car or a non-running car that you think I might be interested in, then drop a message below or contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying these videos. But let's get this inside now and take a look at the damage. Before we start then, I bought this car, as we've said, as a category N. It says due to water flood damage, which is usually the engine. But the actual engine in this starts and runs fine. There's not an issue. There was one piece of paper that came inside the car. Obviously the name has been removed by the assessors. And it says on here, was assessed on the 22nd of December. And the damage here, it says, look, grille damage, front plastic has cracked, frontal number plate. So I don't think it was a category N for engine damage, because obviously it starts and runs, but just showing you a little bit of damage here. Like I said, the front bumper was already missing, so I can't do nothing with that. But the headlight, let's just get this bonnet open a minute. The headlight's broken. Just put that up there. So you can see that the clamp's broken there. Somebody's already done some sort of repair over the years, so that's that. But like you see, we're going to need a new headlight. So there's a new headlight on order to replace that. But I've ordered a new front bumper already. Not in the right color, because I couldn't find one in the right color, so they have to get that painted, but that's complete with the fog lights and everything. And for those that might be asking, oh, you know, is there water inside? I have already made a start on the inside. I know I always say that you know, we remove the seats, we clean everything, but just to make sure everything was okay in this one, I've removed all the carpets and I've checked the airbag unit and everything. I can't find no traces of water in there, so everything will be cleaned and put back together. So really there's not too much to show you on this one. I mean, all I can do is we're going to do the service at the same time, and we'll do the timing belt on this one, because I don't know if you can see in here properly, but there is a, let's have a look in there. No, you can't see it. There is a little bit of cracking on the belt, so I don't suppose it's had a belt yet, so we will be doing that and putting a new belt on at the same time. So we'll just do a little bit of time lapse, probably putting some of the inside back in, getting the bumper back fitted up before paint, and we'll have a look when it's put back together. Just to finish off this first part for the video, the lights are all here now. The new headlight to go on that side is here. The bumper is here. It has gone away for paint already, so that'll be back shortly. And just to double check those things, that all the inside now, all back together, all cleaned, all the interior, all good. So we're going to leave this video here for now. As I say, this is the part 1 for the C3, so do keep an eye out for the update on this video coming soon. We'll go through it together then. So thanks very much for watching. If you've got any inquiries, just drop me a message below or at c96rebuilds@gmail.com, and I'll see you soon in the next one.